Hi guys, and welcome to another video. And today, my camera's going. And today, I'm showing my slime that I made. And then, and it didn't really turn out well, but it's made out of flour. So we tried the normal recipe, and it didn't work. Let me try and put my camera up. Oh, that's perfect. And then it's made out of what is it made out? Glue, contact solution, food colouring. I think we put borax in it. Borax and borax, glue, food colouring. What else? And shaving foam. So we put flour in it. It's so cool. It stretches so nicely. And you put it back together. It does stick to your hands a bit, but you can just rub it and it goes back on. And then yeah, it's really cool. I just like to squish it like that. And then then just rub it because it's really smooth. It's like really smooth. It don't make any noise. It's really cool. It does stick to your hands, not that much like as I said. So that's cool. And then yeah, I might be giving some of this slime out because I have loads of it. I might make more of this slime so I can give it out to you guys. If you get me to 100 subscribers, we are doing a fidget spinner giveaway. I've already shown my fidget spinners, so you could win one of them fidget spinners in that video and some of this flour slime. It's so cool. You can twist it. It's so cool. So I just wanted to show you that because I didn't film it because I knew it wasn't going to work. So I'm gonna get the ingredients and try it again and probably show you guys. Probably will film it then. So yeah. Peace, subscribe, like, get me to 100 subscribers, fidget spinners, probably 3 away. Peace.